Hey, Miley fam, welcome back to part two of the New York vlog. So, we are headed over to the Brooklyn Bridge and then we're going to get some lunch and head over to the One World Observatory. And I hope you guys are enjoying. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and sit back and enjoy. Y'all, we got the tiniest warning that it was about to open up and rain on us. We got like just a little, dribble. And next thing you know, it was pouring down rain out there. And yes, of course, by the time we made it to the bridge, the rain stopped. Thank goodness.
I'm falling, but everyone falls. And I know from the first time I see your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for
Oh shit. I don't got you in there. You good.
It's okay, don't worry.
Oh, that got my ears again.
Thank you for visiting One World Observatory.
You are now in the photo at the core of London's Trade Center. You are about to board a skyliner, one of the fastest liners in the world. The skyliner will take you to the 102nd floor of the building in just 60 seconds.
Experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever.
Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. One hand in the air for
Which one of these went going for? Oh, yeah, we can definitely go. We can go around. Right now. We're not supposed to go out on miscellaneous ones when we got on that last trip. He said it was this one? Oh, yep. Absolutely.
That's you guys, and make sure you follow up, all right? With
Thank you, dear. I appreciate you.
I'm fine. I'm used to this kind of stuff.
What a perfect time to pay attention to the flowers. And now they dance for no one but the light. And grow on their own time. Don't that just sound nice? 'Cause I don't wanna waste away when my spirit's called to more than concrete spaces. And I hear Mother Nature calling me back home when I need serenity and space to breathe. So I keep on running.
So we are on our way home. New York was a blast, and I will catch you all in the next vlog. Bye.